To adjust the notifications for your lock screen in Honor X7D, we're going to start by opening settings on our device. Next step is to find notifications and status bar, and then there's a lock screen section. There's two settings that you can adjust. First one is the style, so you can pick a count. That way you won't see notifications, you will see them on the bottom right here. Then there's a list which is native and will just show you notifications with the list, so you can view full notifications or do not show them at all. Confirm it, and that way you won't see any notifications on your lock screen. And there's also hide notifications content on lock screen, so you will see that you had notifications from, for example, Facebook, but you won't be able to read what this notification is about. And there's also allow notifications to appear as bubbles on the screen, but that doesn't count for lock screen. I don't know why it's in the lock screen area. But that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.